Thank you so much. And, yeah, of course, it was a pleasure working with Hubert, and I hope you guys, if you have already seen maybe the film, and if you are still going to see it, please learn from it. Tell your brother, tell your sister, tell your countrymen, tell your continent men that please, we need peace in South Sudan.